Today we're designing a 6x8 raised bed with native plants for an elementary school. We're going to be including flowering plants, pollinator plants, and also some edibles.
Well, we started having a food garden. We also thought it would be a good idea to have more native species there so that kids could see that food does not come from Europe and from South America and the rest of the world. And we wanted the kids to see that the people had food to eat before we had cabbages from wherever they came from.
Now I'm going to explain to Sheila and Norah which plants I've chosen for this smaller native garden, starting with the red flowering currant or Ribes sanguineum. This is a beautiful shrub. It will need a bit of pruning to keep in check, but those rose red flowers are a hummingbird favorite. So this is going to bring those right in. Then we stage down with some evergreen huckleberry, Vaccinium ovatum, coppery new growth, pink flowers, and beautifully edible black fruits that are really tasty. And then we have a little foreground of Anemone multifida, our native windflower, which is going to bulk up nicely over time. Next, we're going to look at the periphery plants, or plants that are going to trail over the edge or cusp. We've got this lovely sedum spathifolium, gray foliage and bright yellow flowers that the pollinators adore. A great edible Allium cernuum, Indian nodding onion. Everything's edible. The leaves, the bulbs, the flowers, which are great in salads. Then we've got some Kinnikinnick Arctostaphylos. That's going to trail over the edge, be evergreen, give you white bell-shaped flowers and red berries. And these lovely alpine pussy toes, look how pretty those are. They're just going to form a patch of silver with these lovely flowers that the pollinators will come to. We've got some edible Fragaria vesca, or wild strawberries. These are the ones that taste like bubblegum and strawberry that kids adore. And lastly, Sedum oreganum, another great sedum that takes the drought, loves the full sun, bright yellow flowers, and the bees will absolutely adore. So you can still have native plants in a small area and they can look beautiful and you can eat them too.